excitement has turned to sadness. I'm so pissed. So freaking pissed. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. It is very windy and rainy here today. It's raining non-stop. It looks crazy outside, but things must get done. Errands have to be run, so we are out and about as usual. We're actually heading to the post office to pick up a package that's supposed to have arrived for Tyler. That should have came home from last week, but we didn't receive it, so it's actually at the post office. So we're heading to the post office to pick up Tyler's package, which I'm pretty excited to see him play with. Papa is so excited to see him get his package. And baby's still not feeling well, but he's a little bit better than he was last night. I woke up this morning and I rubbed him and put some hot water over the area that's hurting. Girl, you have to take care of your man, okay? You must take care of your husbands. So I have been doing my wifely duty. I've been taking care of my man. Ain't I, honey? He can't even turn his head. That's how much he's hurting. But I really hope he gets better soon. I hate when he's sick, because he just turns a big baby on me whenever he's not feeling well. And my throat is doing better with each passing day, because as usual I'm chatting away. But my nights are the worst. I guess that's normal, but once I wake up and start my day, it gets a little bit better. Mr. Handsome is around there chilling, sucking on his passy. I don't know what he's sucking out of it. Ty, do you want to say hello? Say hi. Say hello, everybody. You want to say hello to everybody? No. Look at his face. Nothing? Huh? You're just chilling? Alright, Mr. Chill. So Tyler obviously is not talking to you guys this morning. I don't know what you guys did to him, but he's not talking this morning. He's just around there chilling and looking at me. Look at him. If it's raining where you guys are, make sure you guys stay dry. If it's sunny and hot, make sure you guys stay cool. Make sure you guys work out. Do something, because your girl will be working out. Okay, do something. Stay motivated, stay focused. Don't let any temptation get the best of you. Okay, just do it. I thought about something that we can do to make the channel more fun and more exciting. What I think I'm going to do is, seeing that I am a Jamaican, let's embrace my Jamaican culture some more. And in each vlog, as of today, I'm going to start doing a Jamaican phrase or a Jamaican expression and tell you guys what it means for all my subscribers who are not Jamaican, I'm going to say a phrase or a word in Jamaican patois and then tell you guys what it means. So the word for today is, what should be the word for today, honey? Bonjour. He tell me something in French. So the word for today in patois is bunks. Bunks spell B-U-N-K-S. Bunks mean in patois means okay, let me use it. No, let me tell you what it means first. Bounce means to hit somebody, to push somebody, okay? So let me use it in a patois phrase, in a patois sentence, and then translate it in English and let you know what it means. Bounce means to hit or to push somebody. In patois in Jamaica we would say, why you a bounce me for? You get that? Try and say it with me. Babe, say it. No. Say it. Say why you a bounce me for?
Why you a bounce me for?
Say it louder.
Why you a bounce me for?
Yes, honey. Why you a bounce me for? You get it? Alright, make sure you get it. So let me translate that in English. That would mean, why are you hitting me, or why are you pushing me? So now you get it. So as of today, in every vlog, I'm going to give you a Jamaican phrase, and then I tell you what it means. Okay, so make the vlogs more interesting and more fun, and teach you guys my Jamaican culture. Okay, so we are on our way to run some errands, and we catch you guys later. Where you are, bongs mifa. So my excitement has turned to sadness. I'm so pissed, so freaking pissed, so pissed, and I'm sure baby's twice as pissed. We're at the post office and they cannot find Tyler's package. They can't find Tyler's package. The number that Amazon gave him, they're saying that it's not here. They don't have anything. They don't have anything. They're saying that it's in Paris area, which is kind of crazy. So they're sending Amazon a message right now. I'm so pissed because Tyler's supposed to have received this package from a week ago, and I was looking forward to see him playing with it. But anyways, we just gotta do what we gotta do. Mama! You're sad? Mama! You're sad? Mama! 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 You're sad that you didn't get your package? Yes, I know. You're sad? Yeah, I know you wanted to play with it, right? Watch the fake cry. Watch face. What kind of fake crying is that? You're such a fake. You're such a fake. Why are you faking? You're such a fake. Time faves, and of course your girl's been a rabbit today, as babe would say. I am having lettuce with some barbecue chicken wings that I made, and that's babe dinner. He's having mashed potatoes and barbecue chicken wings, so it's going down. We're gonna grub, and don't ask for Tyler. It's not Tyler's dinner time as yet, so Tyler is here making a mess and playing as usual, so we're gonna grub. Okay. Hey guys, don't judge me. Don't judge my hair, my face. It's official the next day, and I'm just coming on to to end the vlog because I realized I didn't end it yesterday. After dinner, we put Tyler to bed, and Babe's still not feeling well, and I'm still not feeling well. So we just enjoy the rest of the afternoon, chilling and relaxing and resting. So hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching us, and if it's not your first time, thanks for always coming back. And we'll see you guys in our next video. I have now officially created 2 different channels, one for food and one for hair. So there will be no more food and hair videos coming on this main channel, which is our vlog channel. So all the links will be down below in the description box. You guys can go ahead and subscribe to those 2 new channels, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.